Here I have ULEFONE Power Armor 18 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to enter safe mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to hold down power key, and when this turn off menu appears, hold down your finger on power off. Then it suggests you to reboot to safe mode. You just tap OK, and device will be restarted just as usual. And as you can see, the sign here says safe mode, which is the proof that we're in a safe mode right now. So if you want to quit it, what you have to do is to just restart your device, and it will be restarted in a normal mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.